Welcome, today I am with Samsung Galaxy F23 and I want to show you hidden camera features. So just take a look. When you open the camera application, we can find few really nice options. So the first, when you drag your shutter just like that, you can get the floating shutter button. So when you hold your phone, for example, like that, and you cannot reach this bottom shutter, you can pick this one to the edge and then just take photos. You can drag this floating shutter wherever you want. As you can see, it works the same like this one. If you want to remove this shutter, you have to click, hold and then drag right here. So that was the first hidden option. Another one, it's swipe the shutter button to take the series of the photo. So we have to click, hold. Okay, let's make it one more time. Click and drag. And as you can see, we can take the series of the photos. We take 30 photos. When you go for the gallery, you can find all of them. Tap on this icon to take a look on them. As you can see, it looks like very sharp video. If you want to save any of this photo, for example this one, and this one, you can make it by tapping right here and delete all the unselected pictures. As you can see, we stay only with the 3 photos from the 30 that we take. Okay, another hidden option is the shutter button video. So we have to click and hold, and right now you can record video. You can drag to this lock, release, and right now you don't have to hold this button anymore. As you can see, right now you can switch the camera lenses, you can just pause the video, you can turn it on, you can enable this flash that you can find in this place. When you try to zoom in and zoom out, of course, you can still make it. You got the presets right here. If you want to finish this video, you can just tap in this place. Okay, so that's all from the shutter. Right now, I'm going to show you how to change the brightness level. So we can tap on the screen and then move the sun icon to the right or the left to adjust the brightness level. To make it automatically, just click right here in the middle on your phone, and it will be set up automatically. Another option that it's hidden, it's the volume buttons right here. So when you click once on the volume up or down, you can normally take photos. But when you click and hold, you are going also to take the series of the photo. So you can choose if you want to swipe with your shutter or hold the volume button. Okay, and right now I'm going to show you a very cool option. It's right here. It's called the single take. So when you enable this option and then tap on the shutter, you're going to record the 10 seconds video. And after that, I'm going to show you what is going to happen. You will be surprised, definitely. We are not able to zoom in right here, but when you go for the gallery and wait a few seconds, we'll get different modes. Right now we got only 2 of them, but when you go back and enter one more time, we got 3. So the phone is processing different shots. As you can see, right now it switched our 10 seconds video to the boomerang clip. It also gave us this fast forward clip. And we got the original video. And normally you can take to like 7 different options. Okay, let's go back. And when you tap right here on this switcher, you can unselect or select the modes that you are able to get. So if you want to get only like boomerang clips and the filter photos, you can unselect the cropped shots. And after that, our phone will be only process these 2 kind of the shots. So we can adjust them right here. And right now we are going for the settings. And in the settings, I'm going to show you how we can use the zoom feature in a different way. So normally when you want to try to use it, you have to pinch your screen or use the presets, but we can go for the shading methods and change volume keys to the zoom in or out. And take a look right now. When you press volume up, you can smoothly zoom in to the 10 times and zoom out by pressing volume down button. Just like that. And right now I'm going to show you the last option. It's hide right here. So we can go for the 4x3 but with the 50 megapixel mode. So take a look how it works. We are going to take photo with the 50 megapixel mode right now. Let's focus, for example, on the phone keyboard. Keep your phone steady while taking this photo, and then we can switch to the normal 4x3. Take photo, and right now let's take a look for the difference. So this was taken with the 4x3 mode. It looks like that. And right now let's take a look on the 50 megapixel mode. As you can see, in this mode we can zoom in much closer. So if you want to crop any photos, you can definitely use this 50 megapixel mode. Okay, so honestly, that's all from the hidden features that you can find on the Samsung Galaxy F23. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.